Hello students, welcome back to class. I'm your cultural and creative arts tutor, Ms. Taufik Korodo, and our topic for the week is collage and mosaic. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define collage and mosaic, list the tools and materials used for mosaic and collage production, and also differentiate between collage and mosaic. So what is collage? The word collage comes from a French word, coller, which means to stick together or to glue. Collage is simply the art of creating a piece of art by combining various materials such as photographs, paper, fabrics, or other objects to form a new composition. Okay, it often involves arranging and layering these elements to convey a specific message or aesthetic. Alright, the joining or the gluing or sticking together of different photographs, magazines, pictures, fabrics, images, and so on together to create a concept or to convey a message is known as collage. Let's talk about the tools and materials used for collage production. We have paper. Papers such as magazine cutouts, newspaper, colored papers, and so on. We have fabric, different textures of fabrics and patterns. We have paint, adding painted elements to enhance the composition of our design. Glue or gum, which is to attach all these elements together to give it a meaning. What is mosaic? Mosaic is the art of creating decorative pictures and patterns on a surface with small pieces of pebbles, glass, marbles, beads, tiles, and so on a support adhesive base on a support base of adhesive such as glue or cement. Now, in mosaic production, we make use of all these hard materials such as stones, glass, beads, buttons, and so on. And we make use of cement or glue to hold them together on a supported base. The base we're talking about are either wood or metal. The tools and materials used for mosaic production. We have number one, broken pieces of stones or glass. Number two, we have cowries. Three, we have tiles, broken tiles. Four, we have beads. Five, we have bottles. Number six, we have seashells. Number seven, we have wood. Number eight, we have buttons. Number nine, we have cement. And number 10, we have glue. Now let's talk about the uses of mosaic design. Number one, mosaic designs are used for wall decorations on private mansions, public buildings, hospitals, schools, and so on. Number two, mosaic is used for physical designs on building constructions. Three, they are used for decoration hangings in the homes and offices. And number four, we have mosaic designs are used for designing pools. Five, they are used for floor decorations of offices, hospitals, and so on. And we know that mosaic designs are made from hard objects like tiles, stones, glass, and so on. So they are durable and then they can withstand the harsh weather, be it rain or sunshine. So they can be placed outside, unlike collage, which is made from paper and fabric. Now let's talk about the differences between collage and mosaic. Number one, mosaic employs one medium, and while collage uses two or more media, and then they can be combined to create a picture. Two, mosaic can be executed on the floor without minding people moving on them. Like I said earlier, they are made from durable materials which can withstand any harsh condition. But collage, on the other hand, cannot be fixed on the floor because it is made of paper and fabric. Number three, mosaic is made from different colored tiles, glass, beads, and so on from one to form one picture. And while collage is made out of paper, magazine cutouts, and so on to form many pictures instead of one. We know that our magazines, calendars, newspapers, and so on, they have different pictures, and then we can match those different pictures together to form one design. Number four, mosaic requires careful placement of individual pieces to form a cohesive design. Our tiles, our beads, our stones, our buttons, they need to be carefully placed, okay, to form that kind of design that we want to create. while collage, on the other hand, involves cutting, tearing, arranging materials in whatsoever way we can do it on a surface, allowing for more dynamic expression. Number 5, mosaic is commonly applied to the surfaces like walls, floors, or other permanent structures. Why? Because they can withstand those kind of, harsh temperature or those kind of structures. But while collage, on the other hand, can be created on various surfaces such as paper, canvas, or wood. Collage cannot be placed on the floor, or they cannot be on a permanent structure or a permanent surface. Here is our assignment for the week. Number 1, define mosaic. Number 2, mention 3 tools and materials used for collage. And number 3, state 3 differences between collage and mosaic. Alright students, we've come to the end of the class for today. Thank you very much for listening and see you in the next class. Bye.